Tie and dye. We already know how to use tie and dye using one color. Let us take a look at how to make a multicolor tie and dye design. First, take the cloth you want to dye. Using a string, tie it tightly and leave spaces in the cloth as you like. Make sure that the string does not untie. Now, dip the cloth in water and wring out the water so that the cloth is damp. Now apply different colors to the different parts of the cloth. The fabric thus tied should be wrung slightly to remove excess water and fabric wrung again. Having done this, the strings should be untied from the fabric and dried quickly by placing in the sunlight. In this method, we can design on fabric of any cloth. This kind of design can be done on any type of fabric, especially bed sheets, curtains, bed covers in cotton fabric to make them attractive.